Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, go ahead and make sure you hit that button below before you leave so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. So today I am going to be creating another look with the new DESI x KATY Dose of Colors collection palette. I've been having a moment with this palette. I did create this look as well as the one I did for the review and one for Instagram as well. So she's having a moment. I also want to talk to you guys about this other product. Y'all know I'm a little lash challenged. I don't have much lashes, top or bottom, mostly the top because I don't take care of them. Grande Cosmetics, I don't know if you guys have heard of them, but they do have like this lash serum that makes your lashes long after a few months. They also have a lash set. So it's a Lash Junkie duo set. It comes with a primer as well as a mascara that is meant to, you know, lengthen your lashes, give them a little more curl, give them a little more length, more volume, you know, so you can be popping. Y'all know I like to be popping. So if you guys want to see how I got this rose gold smoky eye look as well as find out what's up with this lash product, go ahead and keep watching and I'll see y'all at the end. Alright guys, so today I am going to be using again the DESI x KATY by Dose of Colors collection palette. A few of you guys, you know, had my back and let me know that I was saying the names backwards on my last tutorial, or my first tutorial, my review of this. And what's weird about it is, it's weird because the I Love Side Eye one was not like this. Typically, when they have the names on the back, they read just like this is the palette that you're looking at, right? This one is different. A Moment right here, which is the blue color, is right here, but it's actually the color that's right here on the palette. So you gotta look at it as if the palette is behind it. My apologies to DESI and KATY, my bad, y'all. I ain't tried to, but if y'all just put the names on the palette in the front, then we wouldn't have this problem. The first thing I'm gonna do is eye my eye, and this is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is in deep. And we're gonna get this right this time. The first color that I'm gonna go into is Churro, and that is this matte brown color on the bottom row. Last time I was calling it champagne color Churro, and that is not the right color. I'm gonna just work this into my crease. Then with a more concentrated fluffy brush, I am gonna go into the color Cheens, and I'm gonna place that into my crease. Then I wanted to make the edge of this a little bit deeper, but I feel like Game Over that's in this palette, which is this black color on the end, I feel like it's just not gonna cut it. So I'm gonna keep it with Dose of Colors. I'm gonna go into I Love Side Eye by Dose of Colors collection palette, and I'm gonna dip into Finders Keepers and place that right on the edge of my crease. And I am using a pencil blending brush for this. And then from there, I am gonna go ahead and clean up that line now because I'm tired of looking at it looking like this. So I'm gonna take my makeup wipe and I'm gonna go ahead and just make that a nice sharp line. And using tape is a good way to do this as well. So for my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Y'all know me, I love me a good old cut crease. And I felt like I just had to do that for this look. So this is my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in Dark 46. And when you're doing your cut crease, you always wanna make sure you look up because that'll tell you how high you need to bring it. You see how it kind of just went up right there? Yeah, I need to make sure I get that. And that's how high my cut needs to be. So now is the exciting part. I'm gonna go into Try Me, and I'm gonna place that all over the lid. And I am gonna spray my brush for this because I do want this to go on real creamy and real pretty, you know? Look at this color, y'all. This is like so pretty. I don't know what possessed them to come up with this, but this is like the perfect like pink rose gold type of color. And from there, I'm gonna dip into Just a Kiss, which is that champagne color. And it's really actually not a color. It's more of like a glitter kind of that you can put over any color that kind of makes it pop. So I'm gonna spray my brush and I'm gonna place this all over the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with my Pretty Vulgar ink liner, and I am gonna do kind of a dramatic wing today. All right, so that brings me to the product that I really want to share with you guys today. This is from Grande Cosmetics, and this is their Lash Junkie Duo Set. Pretty much it is a primer for your eyelashes as well as a mascara which coats it and conditions the lashes afterwards. Y'all know I'm a little lash challenged. Don't really know how well it's gonna work on my top lashes because I literally have none. So any type of length period with mascara is still gonna make them look short. I'm still gonna try it on camera though, but I really want to see what it's gonna do for my lower lashes because I need them to pop for this look. First thing that you do is you use the primer, and it is a white primer, and I'm gonna put this underneath my false lashes just so I can see if it'll open my eyes up a little bit more, you know. And I'm gonna place this on my lashes, and it will kind of give them some length to them. All right, so I can already see how this has lengthened my lashes like crazy because I have no lashes and this has made me look like I got me some. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat it with the mascara and we can see the difference, and then I'll go ahead and put on my false lash. I know it's probably hard to see, but on this eye my lashes are kind of going up into my false lashes, whereas this one, they're just like sitting underneath. I definitely feel like that product helped to make them long enough to help to bring my eye open with the false lash. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera and we're gonna finish off this look. All right guys, so I have a little powder on my face so that it can catch whatever fallout comes out on the bottom. So I do want to bring a little bit of Girl Bye into this. I'm gonna dust that into the bottom lash line, and I'm kind of gonna blow it out a little bit because I am using a bigger brush for this because I do want that to be kind of blown out. Then I'm gonna go into like a smudger brush and I'm gonna go into Cheens, and I'm gonna put that right along my lash line. That way it kind of ombres to a darker color. And then I'm also gonna slightly go into Finders Keepers from the I Love Side Eye palette and kind of line the eye with that. So from there, I am gonna go ahead and dust off this powder. I feel like I'm looking a little dusty, but you know, that's gonna get better once I spray my face and do all that jazz. So I am gonna go back into the Grande Cosmetic products for my lower lashes, and I'm gonna see how long this can make them. Let's see if I can get a little drama. So first I'm gonna go in with the primer and we'll see how long this makes them. This definitely gave me some drama and some length. I feel like I got spider eyes on the bottom, but that is the point of the product. I'm gonna go ahead and put the mascara over it and continue the drama. All right, so I went ahead and tight lined my waterline, and I don't know if y'all can see, but I feel like this definitely gave my lower lashes a little bit of more oomph, make them a little more dramatic and thick and long, a little bit longer. I like it. I think it does good, so I'm feeling it. I'm gonna go ahead and put Just a Kiss in my tear ducts, and then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face, and this is with my, you know, my favorite highlighter, which is Shayla by ColourPop Pose. This highlighter just never gets old, I'm telling you. It just don't get old. Then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and we'll get to lips. So for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with my LA Girl lip liner, which is in maroon. And I'm actually gonna mix this with a darker lip liner as well because it's a little light. And then I'm gonna use Nude Chica, which is from the I Love Side Eye by DESI Colors collection. And I'm gonna put this in the middle. And when you're a brown girl, the key to using a very light nude lip is to blend it like your life depends on it. So just, so you ain't got no more time left. Alright, then suddenly it works. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I am in love with this look. Let me tell you, this is my second time filming this video. The first time I didn't use this color. Let's see, what was the name of the color? Try Me. I did not use the color, but I'm so happy that I did this time because I feel like I can't live without it. I'm feeling this. I'm gonna wear this all day. It's raining outside. I don't even care. I throw on a hat, cover up my makeup. I'll be good. Another thing, I wanted to give kind of my final thoughts on the Lash Junkie Dual Set from Grande Cosmetics. Even though I don't really wear my natural lashes out like for real. Some days when I go to work, I don't feel like, you know, putting on the lashes, doing all the stuff, you know. They usually say that if you have just a lash, a liner, as well as brows, then you're good to go. So, I feel like this product is good for me. I can really just throw it on in the mornings when I'm just, you know, go, trying to hurry up and get out the door. So I can have me a little extra, you know, slayage to my look while I'm at work looking like a bug. I do recommend the product if you do want to check that out. Go ahead and check out the link below to their website, and it is also available at Sephora, and it just launched in August, so it's that new. Alright, so if you guys really like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment below if you want to, hit subscribe below if you have not yet, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.